All Volvo key fobs have an emergency key. Inside these keys, you'll find a metal blade that you can use to unlock the driver's door. Sometimes the keyhole on the driver's door is covered with a plastic cover, but you can remove that, and then you use these metal keys that you'll find in the key fob to unlock the door. So you can see that right there. You can unlock it right here and pull out the key. We have this other Volvo key here. You can see there's this sliding locking tab right here. Once you pull that out, then you can pull out the metal key, emergency key. This right here is a little bit more tricky, but this key also has a metal blade in there. So what you'll do is you push on this right here, you push that one way, then you slide this forward. So we slid this forward, now we can remove it. And you can see there's a metal key right there. So you can use this to unlock the driver's